In this tutorial, we're going to look at how you can move audio in the background of a region. Now let's try with an example here. I want to put some audio in here, some music from here to roughly around here. So let's start by setting in an out marker like this. So this is basically the area where I want to put some music. Now with the replace feature, I can just take this piece of music, just place it in there, and it will just fill out that area. This is called replace. This is not the feature that we're looking at right now, but it's a nice feature to know that's there. Now the music has been placed from the beginning. Which is fine. So I have narration here and it starts with music. But I don't want to use this beginning of the music. I want to use this bit over here. I can now hold down the option keys like so. And I can now move the audio. So now I've placed the audio where I want it to begin.
Blending together.
And if need be, I could always move it around again. So moving the audio in the background of a region.